Part 1.
I think I see a head wearing bad. Teachers don't wear beanie hats in the classroom.
This teacher does. Get used to it. Okay. Go to your seat.
No.
No videos in this classroom?
Too bad.
No videos?
Too bad.
Okay. Did you give me a good job?
You look like you had to poop. Stupid teacher, you suck. I hope you faint and hit your head.
Hold on. I have something for you.
That's a bad looking teacher. She's a whore.
Take a day. Hey, then you get to be the teacher and wear the beanie hat.
You look so gay. Hey, you know, Jesus is all around us.
I did not do that.